Okay, guys, good morning, Friday morning, and we are looking at the charts again. So let's take a look at the news that we have today. So in order to know what's going to happen in the market, we need to look at the news. So at 14:45, we have S&P Global Manufacturing. Medium news, not really going to affect the USD or the US 100 and US 30 or gold. ISM Manufacturing and Michigan Consumer Sentiment, however, this could see some impact in the market. So with the US 30 and US 100, we will be waiting for this news. For gold, however, gold typically isn't going to change direction because of the Michigan consumer sentiment, but the US 100 and US 30 more than likely will. So what can we see here? We can see that overnight, US 100 broke all-time highs, which is a little bit rare for it to do that. So we have the daily close. Where's the daily close here? Let's have a look. Where is it here? I don't think I've got it on. 1 second. Daily close. Yep. It's probably because I've got all these volumes up. 1 second. Get rid of some of these. There we go. Edit this. 1 second. Daily open. Make this red. Okay, so the daily open is here. We've actually gone above that and broke all-time highs during the Asian session, which is super, super weird. But it gives us a really good setup because we can look for a buy at the open. And also the all-time high, which is also a weekly level, which is a very nice level of buy pressure. If we have a really good day, we're going to have about 200, 300 pips. So we can probably go to this level here, which we marked out yesterday. So today, potentially a really, really good day. Yesterday was bullish. Today has the potential in order to be bullish all the way up to here. If we take a look at the daily, yesterday did close bullish. So today has the potential to go all the way up here. And again, potential. Doesn't have to. This can move all the way down here, but more than likely it's going to bounce and move to the upside. And the absolute limit of today's capability is up here. So that's what we're looking for on the US 100. US 30, let's see what this has done. I'm going to guess it's probably done the same as US 100. So this, not as crazy as the US 100. So we do have a very nice level here. We have 4-hour level. So as you can see, let's just get this out here. 1 second, so I can draw this. Just so you can see visually what's happening here. Okay, so if I just do this, look, we have had this massive move to the upside. Then we started to move down. This level was broken, making a lower low and a lower high. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Now, higher high. What's happening here? Higher low. So what's this now? A potential buy opportunity to move to the upside. What's this happen? What's happened right now? Distribution. Now, buyers are coming back in and kicking it to the upside. So higher high, higher low now. Really nice level of buy pressure. Previous area of sell pressure, now turning into buy pressure, moving to the upside. So bullish on this, also bullish on US 100 as well. And where's the capability of today? Well, if it's going to be a really good day, possibly around 200 pips. So we're going to target probably up here to put that in. Again, there's a daily zone there, so it might just see sell pressure there. But if it breaks through that today, then we have a very nice target of that level. So there we go. Let's take a look at gold. XAU, Jake. Okay, so what happened to gold yesterday? Let's have a look. We can get rid of the daily close. We don't want that. So yesterday, gold broke the weekly downtrend, also the high, and we've come to the daily zone. We've seen a reaction to the downside. This, for all intents and purposes, looks bearish to me. This could just be a fake out. We move down and continue all the way down here. That makes logical sense. But however, because it has broken the downtrend, this could retest and move to the upside. So we need to be ready for any eventuality here, upside or downside. Long-term gold is stronger than the USD. Gold is a positive 1.9. The USD is a minus 0.7. Medium-term, gold is stronger, positive 3.1 to positive 1.2. Short-term, the USD is stronger. So gold is a minus 0.3, USD positive 1.6. So again, if we're looking for day trades, because the short term is to the downside, probably going to see a reaction here. So we can probably get a sell at this daily zone for a double top. And then if it does see buy pressure here, we're out with taking TP. But if it breaks, and then we'll be in for a big trade. So we're going to look for a sell today at the daily, at the resistance to support. Simple as that. Very, very simple trade today. And then we'll see what happens at this level. Previous sell pressure all the way through here. Going to potentially turn into buy pressure. If this breaks, we'll look for sells. If it bounces, then we'll look for buys if we break the daily here. So we'll see what happens with gold. But for now, just a little sell on this for today. British pound against the yen. Let's take a look. Okay, so we have moved to the upside. We have seen this. We moved up. Now all we need is the exhaustion and the move down. It's broken this level. Minor exhaustion. Move to the upside here. That's all you're looking for. So if you are trading GJ, I would set an alert at the 190 level. Set an alert there. When it retests, you're looking for a bullish engulfing candle to the upside, and also for the Great British pound to be stronger than the yen, which it is. You're not looking for a buy yet, as it's literally just broken. Need a retest and then a move to the upside. So the Great British pound against the yen, looking super interesting, looking really good for a buy soon. Let's take a look at the Great British pound against the USD. So the Great British pound against US dollar didn't see buy pressure. At 1 o'clock, when we saw Jobbers claims, it actually moved down. So that level of support has been broken. Let's see what the fundamentals say. Let's see what the daily closed like yesterday. Okay, so it's literally broke that major level of support we had there, broken to the downside. What's happening with the USD? So the Great British pounds are positive 1.1, the USDs are positive 1. There is no fundamentals here. Medium term, the Great British pound is weaker. Long term, the Great British pound is stronger. So we've got a really mixed match of fundamentals. And when we have that, There's no clear direction here. We was moving to the upside. This was support. Now it's broken. This could be resistance and we move down. It's just basically, my friends, a shit show. It is looking bearish though. So technically this does look bearish. We have made a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is the uptrend. Uptrend's been broken. In fact, let's make it a lot cleaner. Uptrend's been broken, look. Probably looking for a move down. So this has very good potential for a short. Has it touched a key level? See, this is looking really good for a short. All the way down here. But the fundamentals have to be to the downside. Medium term. Do you know what? If you're looking for a medium risk trade today, if this closes bearish, super bearish, and the fundamentals on the short term are minus 1.2 and positive 1.8, more than likely it's going to move down. Move your stop loss to entry here, but it could be a decent trade. I would probably wait until next week because the higher probability trade is a retest of this level on Monday, Tuesday, and then the move down. I don't believe that it's going to move down on Friday. So I'd probably wait for next week for the higher time frame exhaustion and move down. Euro USD. So it seems as though the USD saw a lot of buy pressure yesterday. We was waiting for a move to the upside here and a break, but it actually rejected this level because the fundamentals were to the upside. Now, obviously, they're to the downside. Euro USD and Great British Pound against the USD, we all know basically move the same. So we got the same kind of pattern here. Uptrend. Now it's broken. Moving to the downside. It's looking though we could get a potential double top here for a sell. I've just moved that. So what's potentially the best setup here? Well, there's one if we break here. There's also one if we bounce and then move down here. What are the fundamentals? What is the euro saying fundamentally? The euro is a positive 0.3 USD, positive 1.2. Medium term, the euro is weaker. Long term, the euro is a little bit stronger. So short term and medium term fundamentals have changed because of the news yesterday. Where's the sell going to be? Potentially either up here, if we bounce off this key level, if we have a reversal, or if we break and have an exhaustion, and then we'll see a trade here. We're only interested when it touches these key levels. We're not interested when it's in the middle. We don't really care. It's just in no man's land. So if it does break today, don't worry. You'll get this one. Number 2, if we see exhaustion, don't worry. We'll get number 1, and we could even get 1 and 2. That would be ideal. Let's take a look what's in the chat room. Jake, can you check BTC USD? Everyone loves Bitcoin at the moment. Yes. Take a look at the daily here on Bitcoin. So obviously, 1, 2, 3 days of straight buy pressure. We are expecting some kind of move down. It would be abnormal if it didn't move down after that amount of buy pressure. Probably some kind of little exhaustion, probably to the 58,000 level, and then continuing to move up. Look at the hourly. We have had a bearish day yesterday, so more than likely it's going to test these levels here and continue to move down. Because if we actually look at the lower time frame, again, just look what's happening. This is all buy pressure, moving higher, moving higher. Now it seems to have slowed down. What's happening? Potentially an exhaustion for then the next move to the upside. So honestly, I would say for Bitcoin, probably a sell. Obviously, wait for price action at this level. Anything could happen here. Could get a random spike and it absolutely moves to the upside. And the British pound against the yen's just hit. So we'll take a look at that. Okay, cool. So you're looking for a buy now if you get a bullish engulfing candle. But back to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, mate, yeah, I mean, probably looking for sells. Again, I don't trade Bitcoin, so don't quote me on it. But to me, it looks as though we could see higher time frame exhaustion, probably to the 58K level, and then moving up. That's what it looks like to me. If anyone has any more, let me know. Other than that, we will end the session. But if you have any that you want me to go through, just let me know, and I'll fit it in. Doesn't seem like it, but anyway, guys, have a great weekend. Have a good Friday. Thanks, Des, Etch, Gareth, Hamza, Issam, Emma, Salam, Gareth. Thank you, guys. Have a great weekend, like I said, and I shall see you later. Take care, guys. And I shall see you later on for the live session if you join. So, see you later. Bye bye.